Dreaming of that epic event but dreading the upfront ticket cost? Let's unlock the magic of Afterpay on Ticketmaster to make it a reality. This tutorial will guide you through using Afterpay to split your Ticketmaster purchases into easy, interest-free installments, so you can say yes to unforgettable experiences without the financial stress. First things first, find your perfect event on Ticketmaster and proceed to checkout, as you normally would. Once you're on the checkout screen, look for the payment options. You'll typically see a list of major credit and debit cards, and often digital payment methods. Scan this list carefully until you spot the Afterpay option. It will be clearly labeled as Afterpay. Selecting Afterpay will prompt you to log into your existing Afterpay account or sign up for a new one if you haven't already. For a seamless experience, make sure you have an active Afterpay account ready. Once logged in, Afterpay will present you with a clear breakdown of your payment plan. This will show you the initial amount you'll pay today and the subsequent installment dates and amounts. Review these details to your satisfaction and confirm your Afterpay payment. You'll then be redirected back to Ticketmaster to complete your purchase. And just like that, your tickets are secured. You've successfully used Afterpay to spread the cost, so now you can focus on getting ready for the show.